Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Chingris Palmero, 35 years old, married, and I have two kids. Their age is 16 years old and 13 years old. My first work experience in abroad was started on 2013 until 2019. My employer has four kids and one elderly. Their age is 11 years old, 9 years old, 7 years old, and 3 years old. And the elderly is 83 years old disabled. My second work experience was on Chung Kwan O, Hong Kong, year 2023 until 2024. My employer has two kids. Their age is 4 years old and 2 years old. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I can promise to you I will do my best. Especially, I have more experience taking care of the kids, elderly, cats, and everything. I am good in the work because I start working at age 14 years old. Thank you, ma'am and sir.